Okay, this is our second option, and it contains some of the same technical elements as the first. It has the interactive mini courses, it has interactive chatbots. Now, although the technology is fairly similar to option one, there are additional opportunities and additional issues raised by this. Clearly, once we're into the realm of mental health, there are legal vulnerabilities. So one of the ways we could work around this, but there's a cost to it, is partnering with mental health, and I would suggest education-related mental health experts. That can be done. I've got the contacts for that, but we need to be aware that it introduces additional costs. There's probably more requirement as well with this project to use external developers as well. One or two of the key elements of this one are not in my skill set. So the costs all around are definitely greater for this. On the other hand, the potential to roll this out and make money back is enormous. So if we don't consider it this time, this is certainly an idea worth keeping on the back burner. Thanks.